Okay, sorry guys, I know I am a little late. It is now April, but I just wanted to go ahead and film the Boxycharm for March, and it is the vacation Boxycharm. And my box came with 5 full-size items, and it was a really nice box. So we're gonna go ahead and start. I already have my brows done. Sorry if they're looking on the thick side, like THICC, like thick side. So this is by South Main, and it is the under eye gels, and basically you're supposed to leave this on for 30 minutes to reduce puffiness and dark circles. You know your girl got mad dark circles, so yeah, I'm gonna do that. Okay, so these retail for $10, and while we are working on these, I'm gonna go ahead and see what else is in the box to do my eyes. So this month's box came with an eyeshadow palette, and this eyeshadow palette is from Pure Cosmetics, and it's their collaboration with Boxycharm. So this is the Boxycharm and Pure Cosmetics collaboration palette. It retails for $36. It's super cute. Hold on, that's some. Okay, so y'all was really trying to protect this. I mean, it was in this, so, but they like, oh my god, I need some scissors. All right, so this is the palette. You open it up and it comes with this beautiful selection of colors. Very nice. The shades look really beautiful. They look pigmented, so hopefully they perform really well. And these things are falling. Am I tripping, or are they falling? They sliding. Also came with some brushes, so we're gonna try to use these as well. And these are from the Vintage Cosmetics company. I'm not really familiar with that company. This retails for $23.15, which is a really odd price. So we're just gonna go ahead and see what we can do. These are the brushes. They're super cute. It says, oh, they have steps on them. Okay, so to get started, I'm gonna go ahead and use my MAC paint pod, and this is in the color Soft Ochre. Okay, so to start, I'm just gonna go in with the color Nikki, which is like this really pretty, like peach kind of pink color, and I'm just gonna apply that all over my upper crease and in my crease. Then I'm going in with Duet, and I'm going to put that in my outer V and a little bit in my crease to kind of get that nice smoky eye effect. Okay, and now I'm dancing because I'm jamming, but I'm going to take Charmer, which is this beautiful like champagne rose pink gold shade, and pop that all over my eyelid. Yes. Okay, and now I'm just going in with a Morphe brush. I went ahead and did all my foundation, contour, and concealer. So I'm just going to go back in with the Nikki and apply that all over the bottom of my lash line. Then I'm going to go back in with that smudge brush from the Vintage Cosmetics collection, and I'm going to go back in with Duet, and I'm going to apply that really tight and close to my lash line, as close as I can get it without going into my waterline. And then last, because I kind of wanted more of an open eye and not so much of a black liner, I'm going to use this nude liner by Tarte Cosmetics to kind of open my eyes back up a little bit after that smoky eye. Okay, so next in my box is the Bella Pierre Cosmetics. This is the volumizing mascara. This mascara retails for $20. So this is the mascara. Here is the wand, and we're just gonna go ahead and coat these so that I can put on some lashes. Okay, so today for lashes, I'm gonna be using the Eyler Cosmetics London times Jasmine Brown lashes. These are definitely like my favorite go-to like drugstore lashes. Super cheap, super affordable, and I feel like you could just wear them with any look and you're gonna look bomb. So while I wait for that to dry, I'm gonna go ahead and pop on the last product in my Boxycharm, and it is this blush. It's called Makeup Blush, and this is by Pretty Vulgar, and this is in the shade Prim Vixen. So I'm just gonna take my Morphe R32 brush, and I'm just gonna apply a little bit of this. It is super pigmented. Oh my gosh. Yeah, a little goes a long way with this. So I'm just kind of like tapping off the excess. I'm gonna go ahead and pop on my lashes and I will be right back. Okay, so I'm back. So I went ahead and bronzed up a little bit. I put my lashes on, a little bit of mascara. So that's pretty much everything that's in my box. So let me go ahead and set my face with a little bit of Fix Plus. And you know when I say a little bit, I mean a lot. Okay, so now that that's done, all that's left is a little bit of highlights and, you know, my lip. So for lip, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my Versali Unicorn Essence drops. And I just kind of empty it out and just kind of put a little bit on my lips. And I just massage, you know, that into my lips, give my lips a little bit of moisture. Okay, so next I'm gonna be going in with the lip liner or lip pencil from NYX Cosmetics, and this is in the color Chestnut. And I'm just gonna line my lips a little bit. Okay, so now that my lips are lined, I'm gonna be going in with my Fenty Beauty. This is the Matte Mousse, or I don't know how to say it. Anyway, it's the Fenty lipsticks, and this is in the color Spanked. And I'm just gonna go ahead and add that to your girl lips. And I'm just feeling like a gloss lip today. So for gloss, I'm going to use the NYX Butter Gloss. And this is probably like my favorite lip glosses of all times. This is in the shade Madeline. So next for highlight, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills highlight, and this is the collaboration with Emerisi. And I'm just going to be taking this pencil brush from It's My Ray Ray collaboration with BH Cosmetics. This is like the number 7 brush. Hit it with a little bit of Fix Plus, and I'm just going to go ahead and pop that into my inner corners. And to highlight the brow bone. And I'm going to go ahead and hit the bridge of the nose. Just a little bit. And I'm going to be taking my Versali Unicorn drops, and you already know I'm going to be dabbing a little bit of that on my beauty blender, massaging that in, and I'm just going to go ahead and place that on all the high points of my face that I want to highlight. A little bit on the chin. And then I'm going to go in with my Morphe R36 brush, and we about to bling right up. Okay, that's it. I'm done. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed. So for this month's box, I don't know the overall cost, but just my likes and dislikes. I really love the palette. It's really nice. It's really pigmented, really beautiful. So I do like that. The South Main Beauty under eye gel pads, I'm not really sure about that. They kept sliding down, but it says for like best results, you know, apply 3 days in a row. So I have 2 more, so I'll go ahead and use the rest of those the next couple of days. Dislikes, I did not like that mascara. I feel like it didn't really volumize my eyelashes, and I have like very small eyelashes, so I need like that heavy duty like mascara to like get any kind of results with my natural lashes. It did okay for the bottom lashes. I actually prefer the Bad Girl Bang mascara by Benefit for my bottom lashes, because I just feel like it makes my bottom lashes look so long and so luxurious. The Smoky Eye brush set from the Vintage Cosmetics. The brushes were okay. I'm not gonna bash them or anything like that. The brushes were fine. Were they like my favorite brushes of all time? No. But were they nice? Yeah, they were nice. They were soft, but would I use them every day? Like, probably not, because I have so many other brushes that I just really love and really enjoy. And then the Pretty Vulgar blush. How the blush itself was very pigmented. Yes, I wish I would have got a different color, just because I didn't really like the color of the blush. But the blush itself was really nice, very pigmented, really creamy, so I did enjoy that. All right guys, so thank you so much for watching my channel. I really appreciate it. I love you guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you are not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. It would mean the world. You're already watching the video, so you might as well just hit the little subscribe button down below. So thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Love you guys. Bye. How would you like it if I do the things you do? Put you on do not disturb and entertain needs do.